enhanced control and power management for renewable energy source based water pumping system. In this project we are using battery, 12 volts 1 amp battery, step down transformer, it step down up to 12 volts, and bridge rectifier, and also using another 2 bridge rectifier and wind power and solar plate, and also using inverter which converts DC to AC, and also here we can see step up transformer. And this step up transformer takes the 12 volts of AC and it will step up to 230 volts of AC. That 230 volts of AC will be given to this water pump. It will see the working. So I will explain you first how we can charge this battery through a transformer electrically. So we are taking this power cable, it takes 230 volts of power supply. That AC power supply will be given to this step down transformer. So it will be step down up to 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC. That AC will be given to this rectifier. So we know that rectifier will convert AC to DC. That converted DC will be a 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this 12 volts 1 amp battery. So we can charge this electrically. So we can see this converted, and here we can see the light indication and the battery get charged. So also if you don't want to charge the battery electrically, just remove this one. And also here we can see the wind generator. Wind generator is connected to the rectifier, and solar plate also connected to the rectifier. So one doubt will be raised in our mind, so that DC generator and the solar plate also generate the DC power supply, but why we are giving again to the rectifier? So the rectifier act as a polarity corrector, and also it will protect from the reverse voltage. So if the battery become a high voltage, it will be a high polarity source. Then high polarity source, so voltage will be flow from the high polarity source to low polarity. So that's why if become a high polarity, so this will be a send a reverse voltage to the solar plate and DC generator. If the reverse current will be occur to these two devices, then automatically it will be burn. To protect this solar plate and DC generator, we are using the rectifiers. So rectifier consists of a diodes. So we know that diode working, so diode will be works on the forward current, but it doesn't allow the reverse current. That's why if any high polarity will be come to the reverse, so it doesn't allows. And also it will be act as a polarity corrector. Here we can see, we rotate this one as a anti-clockwise, it will generate a same positive negative. And also if we rotate this one as a clockwise, and also it will generate as a positive negative, it doesn't change any polarity. That's why we are using these two rectifiers for the solar and the DC generator. So here we can see the two connections which is connected to the boost converter. So the generator DC voltage will be given to the boost converter. So we know that buck boost converters, so in AC voltage we can step down or step up the voltage using the transformers, but in a DC supply we can step up or step down the voltage by using the buck boost converters. So here we are using the boost converters which takes power supply from this bridge rectifier, and it will be step up to 12 volts. So 12 volts of DC, then that 12 volts of DC will be given to this bridge battery, 12 volts 1 amp battery. Then this battery will be get charged. And also here we can see the solar plate, it doesn't not generating any voltage because it is not in a sunlight. So if it is in a sunlight mode, so then it will be give a charge to the supply to this rectifier, and light will be low. Then here we can see the inverter. So we know that inverter converts DC to AC. So if I on the power supply, then it will be convert a AC 12 volts. It will take 12 volts of DC and it will convert up to 12 volts of AC. That AC will be given to this step up transformer. So this works on the 230 volts of power supply. So now I am on the power supply. So here we can see noise. So it is works on the AC power supply. Now it is a, here we can see the IC will give a pulses to this MOSFET boards. Through MOSFET boards we will convert the DC power supply into a AC power supply. So it will be generate a AC power supply. So we know that in AC power supply have a positive and negative cycle. So the positive cycle and the negative cycle will be generated by this MOSFET boards, and the MOSFET boards gates are connected to this IC timer. So we can on the inverter through the switch, and we can also off the inverter through the switch. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.